How to enable developer mode on Xiaomi devices. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to enable developer mode on a Xiaomi or Redmi device but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, open settings on your device. Now, tap on About Phone. Over here, you will see the MIUI version. To enable developer mode, simply tap MIUI version multiple times, that is 7 times to be exact. As you can see, developer mode has been activated. Let's locate where you can find this feature. Tap the back arrow, scroll down until you find additional settings option. Once found, tap on it. At the very bottom, just below enterprise mode, you will see developer options. Tap on it. Now you can adjust all the developer settings for a Redmi or Xiaomi device. And boom! You have successfully learned how to enable developer mode on a Xiaomi or Redmi device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.